Jubilee is a time of rejoicing. Jubilee is a time of thanksgiving. Jubilee is a time celebrating. 25 years Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School in Devala is completing 25 years of its wonderful service in the field of education. The time of Jubilee calls us to cherish the past memories. The time of Jubilee calls us to release the past experiences. The time of Jubilee calls us to recount the past blessings. We thank God that the school is 25 years old. We thank God that the school has seen many miracles. We thank God that the school continues its mission marching ahead. In this attitude of gratitude, we, the management, staff and students, PTA members and parents of Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School at Devala are here with you to remember, to recall, to recount the blessings of 25 years of our loving school's life and service in Devala. You can hear all over Devala the sweet sound of silver bells of Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School ringing in joy and excitement. We add variety to the sweet sound with our Silver Jubilee program. Here we present to you the part 1 in grateful commemoration of the school's life from 1996 to 2005.
Welcome to each and every one of you.
Completion of 25 years is a major indeed in the life of educational institution. From the beginning, the school has been providing value-based education and imparted the ideals of academic excellence. It has given importance to discipline and high moral and ethical values, leading to the development of an integrated personalities.
Knowledge is the elixir of life, reflected in its faith that education is a process of creating knowledge, including in the various spheres. Today, we have every reason to rejoice as we celebrate the Silver Jubilee of our school. A warm welcome to everyone who are a part of this school, parents, students who have passed out of this school, students who are studying now, teachers, friends, and well-wishers. We are indebted to each and every one of you to join us wholeheartedly in this celebration.
Prayer is not an attempt to change God's will, but it is an attempt to let God change our will. We awaken our time to a universe which is holy, to creation which is living present. We enter a new mode of human presence where each of us is a participant. May each of us experience God's unique presence within the scared hall of creation. As our students express themselves with a light dance, we join them thanking God for placing us in this Holy Cross Convent School where we truly encounter God. Thank you Kashini, Angelina and Ritika of Standard 7, Divya of Standard 6, Honey Rose, Miga Fatima and Mercy of Standard 5 and Lochana of Standard 4 for leading us into an atmosphere of prayer.
Here we have a group of students, Bonita from 8th standard, Kashini and Angelina, Honey Rose and Mercy, Anisha and Charasri and Srita to lead us into a festival mood with their wishing song.
குன்றின் மேல் விளக்காம் எம் பள்ளி, குறைவிலா கல்வி தரும் எம் பள்ளி, தலைமுறைகள் பல கண்டு தழைத்து ஓங்கிட வாழ்த்துகிறோம். குன்றின் மேல் விளக்காம் எம் பள்ளி, குறைவிலா கல்வி தரும் எம் பள்ளி, தலைமுறைகள் பல கண்டு அழைத்து ஓங்கிட வாழ்த்துகிறோம். திருச்சிலுவை சபை கன்னியர்கள் திறம்பட நடத்திடும் எம் பள்ளி, அழிந்த கல்வியை அகிலத்திற்கே அளித்திடும் அவர் பணி வாழியவே. வெள்ளி விழா கண்டிடும் எம் பள்ளி, வியத்தகு வளர்ச்சியை எம் பள்ளி, ஆயக்கலைகள் அத்துணையும் அருமையாய் போதிக்கும் எம் பள்ளி. ஆண்டுகள் தோறும் முழு தேர்ச்சி, விளையாட்டு துறையிலோ பெரும் வளர்ச்சி, தோல்வியை காணாயம் பள்ளி வெற்றியின் படியிலே எம் பள்ளி குன்றின் மேல் விளக்காம் எம் பள்ளி குறைவில்லா கல்வி தரும் எம் பள்ளி தலைமுறைகள் பல கண்டு தழைத்து ஓங்கிட வாழ்த்துகிறோம் குன்றின் மேல் விளக்காம் எம் பள்ளி குறைவில்லா கல்வி தரும் எம் பள்ளி தலைமுறைகள் பல கண்டு தழைத்து ஓங்கிட வாழ்த்துகிறோம் 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 வாழ்த்துகிறோம். इंतजार का लाया है खुशियाँ प्यार का आया है दिन वो इंतजार का लाया है खुशियाँ प्यार का मन में उमंग लिए गाए हम नाचो रे गाओ यारो मिलजुल कर आया है दिन वो इंतजार का लाया है खुशियाँ प्यार का उमंग लिए गाए हम नाचो रे गाओ यारो मिलजुल कर जुबिली 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 जुबिली. आशीष हमने पाया है वरदान हमने पाया है आशीष हमने पाया है वरदान हमने पाया है सबको सब कुछ दूंगी सबको सब कुछ दूंगी तेरी स्तुति हम गाते सदा दिन को इंतजार का लाया है खुशियाँ प्यार का मन में उमंग लिए गाए हम नाचो रे गाओ यारो मिलजुल कर जुबिली 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 जुबिली
Thank you, students. Your melodious song was indeed a feast to behold.
Let us listen keenly to Sister Flory D'Souza, Provincial Superior of Holy Cross Convent, South Province, who is a dynamic person and know now to listen to the cry of the poor and make education the media of change in the society. Her unique, gentle, yet firm administration has brought life and hope to many. Now we have the privilege of listening to her.
Respected Sister Gracie Matthew, the correspondent, Sister Jayanti Swami, the principal, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, the students, the parents, and all our well-wishers. I am happy indeed to know that our Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School Devala is gearing up for its 25th anniversary celebrations. I join in thanking God along with you and celebrate this momentous occasion. Heartiest congratulations to all of you. 25 years of dedicated and meritorious service in the educational field is a glorious record. It is a moment to feel genuine pride and appreciation. The beginnings, as you know, were no doubt tough and challenging. I'm sure down the memory lane, you will see the Lord's hand through the thick and thin. Without the Lord's providence, we would not have reached where we are today. The marvelous growth of this institution from its humble beginnings is truly a manifestation of God's tender love for the countless children who have crossed its portal, empowering them and securing for them a bright future. The future of our nation depends on these children whom you have molded. It is in this institution that you have trained many in the right track to become effective leaders of tomorrow. As we rejoice and thank God, we remember with gratitude all those who had been part of this institution. I appreciate the dedication of all the correspondents, principals, sisters, staff, parents, alumni, benefactors, and well-wishers who have toiled hard and selflessly served this institution in various capacities. I wholeheartedly rejoice with you at the progress our institution has made during the last 25 years and the good we were able to accomplish. Being grateful to the Lord for the past, as you glance through the present of our institution, you will realize that today running an institution is a great challenge, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. As the education institutions had to be indefinitely closed with the outbreak of pandemic, the management, the students, the teachers, and the parents faced multiple challenges. And the Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, Devala, was not exception to that. Switching over to learning through digital means was not an easy task for you. Besides your online teaching, you also had to assist students to complete their assignments and tests and stay in constant touch with the parents about their ward's progress through social media and virtual meetings. In spite of all the efforts made, you know that you couldn't reach out to everyone with equal inputs due to lack of access to internet and inability of the students to have digital devices. Now that you will have to carry on online and offline classes, it is going to be an additional burden for you. But I am sure you will find a way out when you work as a family for the welfare of the children under your care. We are all with you in these challenging times. I owe my gratitude to you, Sister Gracie Matthew, the correspondent, Sister Jayanti Swami, the principal, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, the students, the parents, and all our well-wishers. I wish and pray that you may continue with greater zest and commitment your noble mission of education and become instrumental in building a just, human, and peace-loving society. May you continue to experience God's never-failing protection and guidance in all your future endeavors. May this institution continue to be instrumental in molding good and service-minded leaders and citizens for our country. God bless all of you.
Thank you, Sister Flory, for your keen interest in the growth of our school. Your appreciation and guidance will always remain a guiding star for us. The year 1856 was a memorable year in the history of Switzerland. When everything seemed dark and gloomy, people cried out in pain and suffering, lost hope of survival. But Father Theodosius Florentini saw the pathetic condition of the people and set on the road to ease the pain of people. What seemed like a long journey now seems like a blink of an eye. With farsightedness and clear vision, he alleviated the suffering of people with Mother Teresa Scherer and many young women who placed their trust in Father Theodosius. Let us walk a long memory lane as we watch the video.
How can I serve these people?
We will be with you in serving these people.
Your convent is the world, your wealth is poverty. Let your happiness be in the good news of saving people. We must educate these children.
Oh, poor women, there is nobody to love and care for them. How can I help them? Oh God, such a small child. Why are you doing like this work? Come, let me help you.
Why are you watching? You are a small child. I will help you. Come.
All stand up, children. Let us learn a rhyme.
Yes, sister.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Watermelon.
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 Papaya.
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 Papaya. Chiku, chiku, chiku. Chiku, chiku, chiku. Repeat. Chiku, chiku, chiku. Chiku, chiku, chiku.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Let us sing together.
Yes, sister.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Chiku, chiku, chiku. Chiku, chiku, chiku. Fruit salad. Fruit salad.
Bye, children. We can see tomorrow.
Bye, sister.
I need young people who have the courage to begin along with me, unselfish, enthusiastic and cheerful. There will be neither money nor profit.
I don't want to disappoint you, but I really do not know to serve these peoples.
busy. We will need lot of money.
What about the difficulties that could come on our way?
Money, money, God will provide. I will beg, I will write books, I will do anything and earn money. But these needy people must be helped at any cost.
We are here to serve you and take care of you.
You are our people. We feel for you. In you, we see God. In serving you, we find happiness.
To give selflessly and generously is what attracted Sister Ansi to smile at the little kids who first stepped into the school. She radiated hope of a bright future to her children and parents. She personified simplicity. Her life was a volume of living a meaningful life. She embraced everyone with genuine love. We fondly remember her selfless service and thank God.
The need of the time is the will of God. I remember 29 years back, parents of the children who were in our nursery school and people of the locality were requesting me and sisters to start a primary school in Devala as there was much need on those days because children were going to Gudalur for study. It was the felt need of the place then as they faced many hardships. With the permission of our superiors, we started first standard in 1996. The children who left our UKG in the previous year and joined the other school came back happily with their desire to get educated from our school. I am very glad to see the growth of our Holy Cross school in Devala and pray that the Almighty God, with His unending fidelity, may continue to accompany its journey and thus it may run in the path of progress with greater enthusiasm and loyalty towards the Lord and commitment towards the people in and around Devala. I take this opportunity to congratulate the management, staff and the students of Holy Cross School in Devala on the occasion of your Silver Jubilee. I take this opportunity to congratulate the management, staff and the students of Holy Cross School in Devala on the occasion of your Silver Jubilee celebrations. Once again, by wishing you all a blissful Jubilee celebration.
Sister Anisha, a passionate teacher who knew what she wanted to achieve and would set living examples of discipline. She had a unique way of training her teachers to give their best in loving and caring for the students. She demanded from everyone quality of work, yet taught everyone to love wholeheartedly. During her tenure as principal, the school grew in such a manner that everyone wanted to admit their children to our school. May God reward her with His choicest blessing. Words cannot describe the greatness of Sister Shanti as she took up the responsibility as the principal of the school. She knew how to inspire her teachers and students. She took personal interest in all the students. The parents were more than happy to trust her and share their life struggle. We fondly remember Sister Shanti and acknowledge all that she has done for the betterment of the school.
Jubilee is a time of rejoicing, a time to raise our hearts to God in gratitude for His marvelous deeds and blessings. I am glad to learn that Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School Devala has completed 25 years of service and would be celebrating its silver jubilee. Though 25 years is but a brief moment in the history of the people of Nilgiris, it has been very significant in the growth of our school, starting from the babyhood of nursery, reaching up to standard 10. Is the hard work of the contribution given by the tireless effort, enthusiasm, dedication, and unflagging zeal of the sisters, staff, and parents and well-wishers of the school. May the school continue to form the citizens of high moral caliber, compassion, sensitivity, and commitment to the people. Happy congratulations with all good wishes.
Badaga culture was involved in the Nilgiri hills and mainly under the stimulus of the Dravidian environment. These are peace-loving peoples. They live in and around 400 villages called the Hattis across the Nilgiris. Nothing can beat the indominant human spirit and certainty, not this coronavirus. Let us watch the traditional Badaga dance dressed in their trademark white attire.
ನಿನಗ ಸತ್ತವು ಬಾರದನೆ ನೀ ಸಮದ ಎಂದಲೇ ಎನಗ ಸಳ್ಳಯು ಇಲ್ಲನೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಗರ ಮೂಕು ಸಿಂಗರ ಅಲ್ಲು ಸಿಂಗರವೋ ಕಳ್ಳೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗ ಮಾತ ಸಿಂಗರವೋ ಕಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಗರ ಮೂಕು ಸಿಂಗರ ಅಲ್ಲು ಸಿಂಗರವೋ ಕಳ್ಳೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗ ನಾತ ಸಿಂಗರವೋ ಕಡನಾಡು ನಾವು ಎಣ್ಣ ಕಂಡೆ ಔಟ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಎಗಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಗಾರೆ ನೋಡಾರೆ ಅವನ ನೋಡಾರೆ
Thank you, Siyana, Srimadi, Kirti Sri, Honey Rose, Abhisri, Sanjusri, Anirufine, and Angelina. Your graceful movement entertained us to the full.
It is our sincere desire to acknowledge the hard work and commitment of everyone who has been associated with the Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, Devala. As this very school commemorates 25 years of its service to the people in and around Devala. To celebrate the Silver Jubilee meaningfully, it is our humble efforts to hold an audio-visual virtual celebration. The Cultural Committee, entrusted with this responsibility, has put the hearts and minds together and brought out this visual treat. Our sincere thanks and gratitude goes to Sister Nisha, under whose guidance Teacher Rita and Teacher Cicely has been put up this virtual treat to all of us. They have done their best of their contacting different sisters, the alumni, and coordinating the students for the cultural program. It is my privilege and duty to thank the members of the cultural team for being dedicated and committed in their work. We once again thank everyone who is the reason behind the growth and development of this Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School. It is 25 years of history. Thank you.